What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my up and coming videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly talk about the pricing for the Samsung Galaxy Flip 6. So over here in the United Kingdom, for 256GB of storage, it starts off at £1,049, and there is a 512GB storage option which will set you back £1,149. It's available in a range of 4 different colours, from blue, mint, yellow and silver shadow. And in today's video, as you've probably guessed, I'll be unboxing the mint coloured smartphone. But that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this smartphone. So as you can see, turning the box over, we have some pull tabs on the rear, at the top and the bottom, and pulling away at these and lifting away the lid reveals a smartphone sat atop. But in the lid of the box, you will find yet another box. And if we take a look within this, we'll find what other items come included with this smartphone. So the first item included with the Z Flip 6 is our USB-C to USB-C cable, which has an approximate length of around 1 meter, and let's be real, you've seen this 100 times before. So placing that to a side, we get a look at our paperwork, which includes some warranty and regulatory information in a range of different languages. But of course, we don't need to see any of that. And as standard, we also have our SIM card ejection tool, which, let's face it, you've seen that 100 times as well. Now if we place that aside, let's take a look at the star of the show, the Z Flip 6. So I've got a couple of first thoughts on this smartphone. First, the colour. The mint colour certainly is one of my favourite colours from the range. Other than that, I do tend to be a little boring, and I've got to say that silver shadow colour is looking quite good. I'm not exactly sure what Samsung have done this time around, as the screen on the Z Flip 6 looks quite good, with the crease certainly not being as noticeable as I've seen with previous models. And I really like how the hinge closes completely flat, so if I do have any lint in my pockets, then it shouldn't be on the screen as soon as I open it up. Now I will be uploading a number of different videos showcasing what the cameras are capable of reproducing on this smartphone, along with running a number of different benchmarking tests and comparing it to the likes of the S24 Ultra and the Z Fold 6 when I get my hands on that. So if you do want to be one of the first 10,000 people to subscribe, or if you'd like to see those videos once they get published to the channel, then be sure to subscribe, smacking that bell icon to be notified when any of my up and coming videos get uploaded. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.